Everybody, I'm giving you quick 5 seconds. Turn on your cameras so that we can begin with our class. No hiding behind the camera. Yes, great. So let me share my screen and we are going to have a super fun session today. So everyone, of course, let me revise the rules, class rules. Please ensure your cameras are on, everybody. Sit at a quiet place, have a notepad and pen. Mute when you are not speaking, and when you are speaking, raise your hand to participate. Right? Great. Next thing, everybody, who can help me recall the lessons that we have done so far? Lesson number 1 में हमने क्या सीखा था? Can anyone help me? Akarsh, let's start with you. Lesson number 1. What was that?
Then we learned from first lesson introduction technique.
Correct.
That is based on name.
Absolutely right. So first lesson was powerful self-introduction, where we talked about the name technique. What was there in the second lesson? Who can help me with that? Lesson number 2.
Then in the second session, in the second lesson, we have learned the flip it method.
Correct. And हमने उस session में सीखा था sentence बनाना through flip it method, right? What was there in the third session, everybody? Third session. What did we learn?
We learned about tenses.
We learned about the tenses. Specifically, we talked about the present time के जो tenses हैं उनके बारे में हम कैसे बात कर सकते हैं, right? The simple present and the present continuous. Who can tell me what was the last session all about? The last session.
It was about we have to talk about objects and keywords and reading books.
Correct. And we had a special guest also, Ria, right? Who was he? What was his name?
Amar Chaudhary sir.
Mr.
Sir.
Correct, Mr. Amar Chaudhary sir, where he talked about the 3 strategies, everybody, right? Object speaking strategy, मतलब कि कोई भी object जो आपके सामने आप उसको उठाओ उसके बारे में बात करो, right? Second one, everybody, was keyword speaking strategy, मतलब कि जो भी आप sentence बोल रहे हो उसमें से एक word pick करो and then next sentence बनाओ, फिर एक word pick करो, third sentence बनाओ, like that. And the third strategy was read it aloud strategy. Everyone, now today, everybody, we have the part 2 of the lesson, which is speaking using correct tenses, where today we will be talking about the other tenses like in past and in future in the easiest way possible. Yes, jahan pe we'll talk about present, we'll talk about past, and we will learn how to talk about future. Now I want Kunal to tell me, Kunal, what do you see on your screen right now? What's there?
Ma'am, Chota Bheem cartoon characters.
Absolutely, we have Chota Bheem and his team on the screen. Now, आप में से कौन-कौन Chota Bheem देखता है या कभी देखा है बचपन में? Just give me a thumbs up so that I get to know. I have watched it. I have watched Chota Bheem. How many of you have watched? Okay, I can see. Yes. Now, everybody, what I want you to talk about any of these characters that are there on the screen. For example, about Chota Bheem, about Chutki, or about anyone. Who wants to speak? You can speak 1 or 2 sentences about any one of them. Let's try. Let's start. Let's start with the Akash. Let's start with you.
Ma'am, Chota Bheem is the main character of this show. Chota Bheem is the bravest boy in his village.
Correct. Next, Ria, I want you to speak 2 sentences about any of these characters.
Ma'am, she is the friend of Chota Bheem and the one of the girl in the like this cartoon, and she makes 2 chotis of hair.
Ponytails. Yes. Okay, next to Kunal.
My cartoon character is Talia. Talia is very funny character in this cartoon. He is very fatty. He loves to eat laddu that are made by Tum Tum Mausi.
This was that's how we describe anything or anyone. Now, everybody, I request all of you to have a look at the screen, and do you know that हर एक सेंटेंस में कोई ना कोई काम हो रहा होता है जब भी हम कुछ भी सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. जैसे कि अगर मैं बात करूं कि she goes to market, इसमें क्या काम हो रहा है? Can you tell me the word that describes the work? Sankalp, she goes to market. So what is the work in this sentence? Action work कौन सा है इसमें?
Goes.
Yes, that's correct. Goes is a word. नाउ शी कुक्स फूड, इसमें कौन सा एक्शन वर्ड है?
Cooks.
Cooks is the action word. That's correct. Now next is that she learns English. इसमें कौन सा action word है? क्या काम हो रहा है? Anyone can speak. Anyone can speak.
मैम लर्न हो रहा है इसके अंदर.
Correct. Learn is the word, right? Let's focus on the screen, right? So if there is any work that is happening on daily basis, उसमें हम ing नहीं लगाएंगे, उसमें हम ed नहीं लगाएंगे, कुछ भी नहीं लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं सिंपली बोलूंगी यहाँ पे, लेट मी शो यू. अगर मुझे बोलना है मैं रोज खाना खाती हूँ, मैं सिंपली बोलूंगी आई ईट, राइट. मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ, आई स्टडी. अब मुझे बोलना है मैं टीवी देखती हूँ, आई वॉच टीवी, राइट. दैट्स इट. अब अगर यही काम मैं रोज कर रही हूं तो पता है क्या होगा? जब भी हम कोई काम रोज करते हैं तो ऑल वी डू इज कि जो भी काम हो रहा है ना उसमें हम ing लगा देते हैं. जैसे मान लो अभी आई हैव माई लंच बॉक्स हियर, ओके, एंड अगर अभी मैं खाना खोल के खाने लग जाऊं तो आप बोलोगे ओके मैम इज ईटिंग फूड, राइट. तो सिर्फ क्या चेंज हुआ? ing लगा दिया. मैं पढ़ती हूँ बट अगर मैं अभी बुक खोल के पढ़ूं तो आप बोलोगे कि शी इज स्टडिंग, ओके. अगर मैं अभी टीवी देखूं तो आप बोलोगे शी इज वॉचिंग टीवी. करेक्ट, शी इज वॉचिंग टीवी. सो दैट्स हाउ वी टॉक अबाउट राइट नाउ, ओके. आप लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हो? आई वॉन्ट टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू वन बाय वन. सरजोत, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ?
मैम आई कैन रीडिंग नाउ.
ओके, आई कैन नहीं आएगा बेटा, ओके, आई एम आएगा. आई एम रीडिंग राइट नाउ, राइट. रक्षित, व्हाट इज योर फादर डूइंग?
My father is in office.
Your father is in office, but what is he doing?
Mom is working.
He is working, correct. Right everyone? तो जब भी हम अभी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, right now के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो all we need to do is हम ing लगा देंगे. I'm eating, she is studying, he is watching TV. You know, अगर विराट कोहली अभी क्रिकेट खेल रहा है तो आप बोलोगे oh they are, you know, विराट कोहली is playing cricket. They are playing cricket, right? अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि बहुत सारे डॉग्स भौंक रहे हैं, क्योंकि होता है ना रात में ऑल द डॉग कम्युनिटी कम्स आउट एंड दे स्टार्ट बार्किंग, तो आप बोलोगे ओ माय गॉड डॉग्स आर बार्किंग, राइट. तो आपने क्या किया? जो भी काम हो रहा था उसके आगे आपने ing लगा दिया. नाउ एवरीवन, तो वो था प्रेजेंट, ओके. प्रेजेंट के बारे में हम कैसे बात करते हैं. अब अगर हम बात करें पास्ट के बारे में, पास्ट, राइट. पास्ट मतलब जो हो चुका है, शायद मैंने कल किया था, परसों, पिछले हफ्ते, पिछले साल, बट एनी वर्क दैट इज डन, दैट इज ओवर, राइट. नाउ एवरीबडी, पास्ट टेंस में सेंटेंस बनाना इज एक्सट्रीमली इजी, extremely easy. So one by one I'll ask you something and you have to tell me, okay. First thing is, इस सेंटेंस में मैं स्कूल गया, इसमें क्या काम हो रहा है? What is the work? Okay, जाने को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं go, right?
Go.
And go को past बोलते हैं.
Went.
अब हमारा सेंटेंस क्या बन जाएगा? मैं स्कूल गया, I
went to school.
went
to school.
करेक्ट. उसने खाना खाया, इसमें क्या काम हो रहा है? व्हाट इज द एक्शन हैपनिंग हियर? ईट बोलते हैं, करेक्ट. और ईट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ate. Absolutely right.
He ate food.
करेक्ट. हमने क्रिकेट खेला, तो टेल मी व्हाट इज द एक्शन हैपनिंग हियर?
हम खेला.
करेक्ट. खेलने को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
प्ले.
पता है आसान तरीका क्या है? यशु एंड एवरीबॉडी, अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो ना कि अरे यार इसको पास्ट में क्या बोलते हैं, बस आप ed लगा दो उस वर्ड के आगे एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट विल बी करेक्ट.
क्रिकेट.
गुड जॉब. वी प्लेड क्रिकेट. उन्होंने अंग्रेजी सीखी, इसमें काम क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज द वर्क? लर्निंग. सीखी, राइट. सीखने को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं लर्न. लर्न को हम पास्ट में क्या बोलते हैं?
Learned.
लर्न्ड बोलेंगे या फिर लर्न्ड बोलेंगे, ed लगा देंगे, राइट.
They learned English.
करेक्ट. So what is the action happening here in this sentence?
Study.
Yes. What is the past tense?
You studied.
Studied. Study का past tense हुआ studied and sentence हमारा बना you. Correct. Good job. So let me just quickly name you and then मैं पूछूंगी कि इसका past tense क्या है. Vraj, right. Vraj, right.
Wrote.
Correct. Good job. Drink. Drink like drink water. So drink. Past बताओ. Okay, I think Akarsh is stuck. Let me ask Sarjot.
Drank.
Correct. Good job. Use.
Used.
Correct. Next one is for Sankalp. Kick. Kicked. Correct. Everybody, I'm giving you 1 minute. All you have to do is you have to form 5 to 10 sentences talking about कि आपके घर पे बारिश हुई थी कल and आपने क्या किया. जैसे हमने पकौड़े बनाए, हमने चाय पी, हमने रेन में डांस किया, मजे किए, हम भीगे बारिश में, etc. All in past tenses. Okay, so you have a minute. Write down 5 to 10 sentences about the same, and then I'll call you. Okay, Kunal. Kunal, next is your turn.
The day before today was a rainy day. First, I bought clothes from the terrace. We ate snacks like pakoda, and we also drank tea. We danced in the rain, and we enjoyed pool in the rain.
Good.
Ma'am, first of all, I picked the clothes.
I picked, yes.
Then I closed the windows.
Mm-hmm.
Then my mother cooked pakoris and I eat.
I eat.
I eaten.
I ate. So eat.
I ate.
Ate.
I ate. Then I watched TV.
Mm-hmm.
Then I studied for 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Then I eat dinner.
I eat.
Then I ate dinner.
Yes. Good. Now everybody, I request you to write 10 words, action words, and आप उसका past tense ढूंढो. जैसे study, watch, play. 10 action words लिखो और उनका past tense. Him, I'll welcome you, him. Okay, write down 10 action words in your notebook, not in the chat box. In your notebook and write down their past words. Okay, so हमने बात करी present के बारे में, हमने बात करी past के बारे में, and अब हम बात करेंगे last में future के बारे में. So everybody, future sentences बनाना is even simpler. उसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. All you have to do is कि आपको सिर्फ एक word लगाना है जो होता है WILL, which is will. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. I will go to school. Correct. वो खाना खाएगी. इसको मैं कैसे बोलूंगी?
Ma'am, she will eat food.
I will go to school. Right. इसके बाद है वो खाना खाएगी. अगेन मैं सिर्फ will लगा दूँ.
She will eat
कुछ भी नहीं
food.
करना. She will
eat food later.
Okay. हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे.
We
Play cricket.
We will play cricket. Correct.
We will play cricket.
मेरे पिता ऑफिस जाएंगे. So how will I say this? My father will go to office. Will का मतलब फ्यूचर में जाएंगे. मे बी आज शाम को जाएंगे, मे बी अगले घंटे में जाएंगे, कल जाएंगे, परसों, अगले महीने. बट will का मतलब होता है फ्यूचर. My father will go to office. तुम पढ़ोगे. How will I say this one, Akarsh?
Then you will study.
You will study. सरजोत, this one, मैं चाय पीऊंगी. I will have tea. Right? अब सहजोत, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं ब्रश करूंगी, इसको कैसे बोलोगे? मैं को क्या बोलेंगे? I will
brush
the teeth. Yes. तो फ्यूचर जो भी सेंटेंस बना रहे हो ना, वो will से शुरू होंगे. मम्मी खाना बनाएंगी. She will make food. पापा ऑफिस जाएंगे. पापा will go to office, like that. Okay, हर सेंटेंस में आएगा will. So I request Arpit to read what's there on the screen.
What will you do if you become the principal for one day?
Yes, and Rakshit, इसमें क्या करना है हमें? Can you help us explain in understanding this?
And
Rakshit.
we have to tell that if we are principal of GDDS school, what we have to do.
Correct,
one day.
absolutely. What will we do? So everybody, I'm giving you 1 minute. आप 5 sentences सोचिए, and again question हमारा future tense में है. What will you do? So please ensure कि आपके sentences भी future tense में हो. तो imagine करो कि अगर आपको गुड डे डिफेंस सैनिक स्कूल हनुमानगढ़ राजस्थान का प्रिंसिपल बना दिया जाए for 1 day, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप क्या changes लाएंगे स्कूल में? You have a minute. Come up with 5 best sentences that you feel you can come up with. Okay, your time starts now.
Now, if I will become principal for one day, first of all, I will make 3 lecture for games. I will allow students for watching smart boards, smart panels, and I will share them. I will distribute chocolates for each student, two, and I will give them tour for. I will take them for tours,
Or trips and tours.
and I will make them fun
Hmm.
for day.
Okay. Nice, very nice. Ria, and I'm very happy all the sentences were grammatically correct. So good job.
Ma'am, if I become the principal for one day of Good Day Defense Sainik School, first of all, I will allow three days in a week. We will not study. We will do activities and games,
Okay.
and we will allow to use smartphone,
Okay.
and ma'am, we will increase games time.
And that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody, जब भी आपका last sentence हो ना, उसके बाद thank you बोला करो, जिससे मुझे भी पता चलता है कि you have spoken. So Nityam, say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, great, good job. Great, everyone. Very impressed with your thoughts. I liked what you spoke, and I'm glad that almost all of you spoke the correct sentences. With this, we've come to the end of our lesson, everybody. I hope you were able to learn कि present में कैसे बात करनी है, past में कैसे बात करनी है, and future में कैसे बात करनी है. It's very simple. The more you practice, the better you get at it, right? So future के लिए हमें will use करना है, past के लिए past का word use करना है, and present के लिए तो अगर रोज होता है तो simple word बोल दो, अगर अभी हो रहा है तो ing लगा दो, right? Bye bye.